Welcome back. Bank of India inaugurated its NRE cell in capital city on Saturday. The bank management feels that Goa is a hub for NRE accounts. The bank is also planning to increase their ATM fleet in the state by 7 more.
You are all very well aware that Goa is actually a hot center for getting the NRA deposits as well as the FCNR deposits, and many of the branches here have more than 20 to 22% growth in the NRA deposits. The remittances across different parts of the globe are getting diverted to the Goa center, and Bank of India is one of the major beneficiaries there. And this is in relation to the increasing demand to give this service. We have opened another NRI cell here today.
Team Goa India put up a good performance in volleyball and table tennis on the opening day of the multi-discipline Lusofonia Games. The hosts won their first round table tennis matches at Pere Sports Complex and volleyball matches at Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Indoor Stadium at Taligaon on Sunday. With only 3 teams participating in volleyball, the hosts have assured themselves of a medal. Meanwhile, the ACLOP indicated that they had no mechanism to ensure wholehearted participation from the member nations.
The first day of the Lusofonia Games saw Goa India women take on Sri Lanka. The hosts won the best of 5 affair by 3 games to 1. The men's team beat Angola 3-0.
अच्छी तरह से यूज किया अंकिता ने और कुछ अच्छे शॉट्स लगाए और काफी प्रेशर में रखा शुरुआत से अपने टीम अपने ओपोनेंट को और आखिर 3-0 से इस मैच को जीत लिया।
9-7 इस बार मिला,
पुश करना चाह रहे थे लेकिन नेट पे डाला। फिर से बॉडी पे अटैक और गेम और मैच पॉइंट यहाँ पे अमलराज के लिए। इस प्रकार से इस गेम को और ये मैच को जीत लिया है और अच्छी शुरुआत दिलाई भारत के लिए अमलराज ने।
In volleyball, Goa India women thrashed Macau, China, while the men's team defeated Mozambique. Meanwhile, the ACLOP president Alex Wong said that he respects the decision by member nations when asked why the Lusofonia Games has drawn a lukewarm response from the ACLOP nations.
First of all, I think in ACLOP, we all recognize the efforts made by the organizing committee and also the government and also the Goa Olympic Association for the organization of the games. And it is we respect all the decisions made by the member NOC for the participation in the games in all the sports. And actually, President thinks that it is more important for the athletes to take part in the games, and it's really the spirit of Olympic movement for the participation in the sports.
Sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
Belgaum sky had turned colourful on Saturday. International Kite Festival by Abhay Patil received a good response. Many national and international kite flyers took part in the festival. The event has been organised by Parivartan Parivar headed by Abhay Patil. Omkar Ferrari brings to you some special visuals all the way from Belgaum. And with this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.